Good morning children, I hope class 7th children are watching this video and I hope you must be keeping well. As we have completed rational numbers and each and every exercise, each and every question, I hope you must have completed in your notebook. Those who have not completed, again this is my earnest suggestion that you must complete each and every question from each and every exercise and then only you proceed to this chapter. Today we are going to start exponents and this is very important chapter for you. Already we have seen reciprocal of a rational number in previous chapter. Today also again we will see reciprocal of a rational number as a review, and we will start laws of exponents we will see, and some examples are there in your book that will be seen. So let's start. Here we have exponents. Recall that we may write 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 as 5 to the power 4 and read it as 5 raised to the power 4. What we read is 5 raised to the power 4, or simply we say 5 to the power 4 or 5 raised to the power 4. We call 5 the base and 4 the exponent or index. So this is called base. This is called base and this is called exponent or index. I hope you know this, and if you don't know, just you see and you remember. If 5 has been multiplied itself by 4 times, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. This can be written as 5 to the power 4 or 5 raised to the power 4. And this 5 will be called base and 4 will be called exponent or index. Similarly, minus 6 into minus 6 into minus 6 is written as minus 6 to the power 3. The notation is called exponential form or power notation. This notation, what has been written, like minus 6 by 3 we have written, or 5 to the power 4 you have written. This notation is called exponential form. This is called exponential form or power notation. Similarly, the product of a rational number multiplied several times by itself can be expressed in the same notation. Suppose we have 2 by 3 to the power 4. So this has been written 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3, and minus 2 by 3 to the power 4 is equal to minus 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3, etc. So even rational numbers also can be represented as exponential form. Suppose we have, as example has been given, suppose 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3 we have, this can be written as 2 by 3 to the power 3. So this is called exponential form or power notation. If a by b is a rational number, then a by b square or a by b to the power 2 is equal to a by b into a by b, and that is equal to a into a by b into b, or that can be written as a square by b square. In the same way, a by b to the power 3 can be written as a cube by b cube. In general, we have a by b to the power n is equal to a to the power n divided by b to the power n for every positive integer. So this you see, if it has been written a by b to the power n can be written as a to the power n by a to the power b to the power n. Any example you take, suppose we have 2 by 3 to the power 3 can be written as 2 to the power 3 divided by 3 to the power 3. Some other examples have been given. Evaluate 3 by 4 to the power 2. So obviously if 3 by 4 to the power 2 we have, this can be written as 3 square by 4 square. It means 3 into 3 by 4 into 4, and that is equal to 9 by 16. In the same way, minus 2 by 3 to the power 3 we have, this can be written as minus 2 cube by 3 cube, and that is equal to minus 8 by 27. In the same way, minus 4 by 5 to the power 5 has been simplified and has been written minus 1024 by 3125. Next you see, express each of the following rational numbers in exponential form. So 81 by 256. So just to factorize this 81, if you are factorizing 81, what you will get? 3 to the 6 and 3 7 is 21, 3 9 is 27 and 3 3 is 9. So this can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 or 3 to the power 4. In the same way, if you are factorizing to 156, you will get 4 to the power 4. So what you have got, 81 by 256, that is equal to 3 to the power 4 divided by 4 to the power 4, or it can be written as 3 by 4 to the power 4. In the same way, other examples are there that you can go through. Then we have reciprocal of a rational number. We have reciprocal of a rational number. If a by b is a non-zero rational number, then its reciprocal is b by a. Already you have seen. And we write a by b inverse. What we read this? A by b raised to the power minus 1 is read as a by b inverse is equal to b by a. So a by b to the power m is equal to a to the power m divided by b to the power m. And reciprocal of a by b to the power m will be b to the power m by a to the power m, and that is equal to b by a to the power m. It means finally what you have got? A by b to the power m if you have. So reciprocal of this will be b by a to the power m. This you need to remember. Write reciprocal of each of the following in exponential form. Suppose 2 by 5 to the power 6 you have. This will be 5 by 2 to the power 6. Just you see. Here minus 3 by 7 to the power 89 will be 7 by minus 3 or minus 7 by 3 to the power 81. 3 to the power 8. So it can be written as, see, 3 can be written as 3 by 1. And reciprocal of this will be 1 by 3 and to the power 8. And in the same way we have minus 5 to the power 11 will be 1 by minus 5 or minus 1 by 5 to the power 11. Then we have laws of exponents. The laws of exponents on integers can be extended to rational numbers. Here you see, thus for any rational number a by b and positive integers m and n, we have a by b to the power m into a by b to the power n is equal to a by b to the power m plus n. Already we had seen in integer also. What formula we had? A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So in the same way, if rational number we have a by b to the power m into a by b to the power n, then it will be a by b to the power m plus n. Here, if m is greater than n, then a by b divided by a by b, a by b to the power m divided by b to the power n will be a by b to the power n minus n. It means its multiplication will be there, then plus sign you will have. And if division you will have a by b to the power m divided by a by b to the power n will be equal to a by b to the power m minus n. If m is lesser than n, Then in this case, you will be having a by b to the power n divided by a by b to the power n is equal to a by b to the power m divided by a by b to the power n can be written, or this will be 1 by a by b to the power n minus n. Or simply second formula is enough. If you are remembering this only, I think you will be able to solve this. Next you have a by b. Next you have a by b to the power n and to the power n. Just you see, a by b to the power m and to the power n you have. Then in this case we will write a by b to the power m into n. Here you see, a by b to the power m into n or mn. Then you have a by b to the power minus n is equal to, here you see, 8 by b to the power minus n means what? Inverse of this. So reciprocal of this will be required to be written. So this will be simply b by a to the power n. Here you see, b by a to the power n. This you remember, a by b to the power minus n will be equal to b by a to the power n. And then we have a by b to the power 0. So if any number you have and power is 0, that you know. Power is 0, that is 1, and this is very important. Many of you do mistakes many times. A by b inverse, the same formula is there. In place of n you have 1. In place of n you have 1. So inverse of this we will write b by a to the power 1. It means a by b inverse, a by b to the power minus 1 will be equal to b by a. Then some examples you see. Simplify and express the result in exponential form. Suppose 3 by 4 to the power 7 into 3 by 4 to the power 5. So easy it is. Here you have, here you see, this base is equal 3 by m, 3 by 4, 3 by 4. Power is different and multiplication sign is there. Your formula will be applied, a by b to the power m into a by b to the power n, and that will be a by b to the power m plus n. It means 3 by 4 to the power 7 plus 5, and that will be 12, and this will be your answer. Here you see. Next you have in the same way, multiplication sign you have, base is equal, then power and power will be added, 11 and 4 will be 15, so minus 2 by 5 to the power 15. Simplify each of the following and express each as a rational number. 2 by 3 to the power 4 into 2 by 3 to the power 2. Similar question is there. That will be simply, here you see, powers will be added. It became 2 by 3 to the power 6. 2 to the power 6 divided by 3 to the power 6, and just you see, 2 to the power 6 will be what? 64. 3 to the power 6 will be 720. That you find out. So in the same way, similarly, this has been solved. Then you have expressed it as the following as a rational number. 4 to the power minus 3. 4 to the power minus 3 will be written as 4 by 1 to the power minus 3, and that will be equal to 1 by 4 to the power 3. Reciprocal of this. So 1 by 4 to the power 3 will be 1 by 64. In the same way, minus 3 to the power minus 5 will be written as 1 by minus 3 to the power 5, and see, 1 by minus 3 to the power 5 means what? 1 to the power 5 and minus 3 to the power 5. 1 to the power 5 we have got 1, and minus 3 to the power 5 we have minus 243. And in standard form, if you want to write, here you have minus sign, so with minus 1 this is required to be multiplied, and finally you will get minus 1 by 243. In the same way, this also has been solved. Simplify and express each of the following as a rational number. Again, here you see 3 by 2 to the power minus 3, 3 by 2 to the power minus 2. So base is equal, and your powers are different or exponents are different. So minus 3 and minus 2 will be added and you will get what? Minus 5. So here it has been solved. Here you see 2 by 3 to the power. So here you had 3 by 2 to the power minus 5 and here you had minus 2. So inverse of this you need to write to make this positive. So that has been made over here, 2 by 3, 2 by 3 and this became positive and then this has been simplified. You have got 32 by 243. Then you see example 8. Here you have suppose minus 3 by 2 to the power 2 and to the power minus 3. It means what? Minus 3 by 2 to the power 2 into minus 3 and 2 into minus 3 will be minus 6 and this will be, here you have minus, so this will be minus 2 by 3 to the power, inverse of this we have written, and to the power 6. Now minus 2 to the power 6 you find out, that is 64. 3 to the power 6 you find out, that is 729. Then you have, here you see, minus 1 by 3 to the power 2 into minus 2 into minus 1 means 2 to the 4, 4 1 ja 4, minus into minus plus, so this will be 4. So minus 1 by 3 to the power 4, so this will be again positive because 4 times it is getting multiplied. So 1 by 3 to the power 4 and 1 by 3 to the power 4 will be 81. Next, you have 6 to the power minus 1 minus 8 inverse and to the power minus 1. 2 to the power minus 1 minus 3 inverse and to the power minus 1. So just to simplify in very simple ways, 6 to the power minus 1 has been written 1 by 6, 1 by 8 and to the power minus 1. So this you simplify first and then inverse of that you need to write down. 1 by 24 you have got. So inverse of this will be, or reciprocal of this will be 24 by 1. In the same way, 1 by 6 became 6 by 1, 24 and 6 became 30. So simple simplification is there. If you have understood, I hope you will be able to do these questions. Just you go through, I hope you will be able to do. Example 14, you see, by what number should we multiply 3 to the power minus 9 so that the product is equal to 3. So that number you assume, just you see, by what number should we multiply 3 to the power minus 1? So this number you assume x into 3 to the power minus 1 is equal to 3. Now you simplify this, x will be what? 3 by 3 to the power minus 9. Here you see. And then this 1 by 3 to the power minus 9 can be written as 3 to the power 9. Inverse of this, here you see, this can be written as 3 into 1 by 3 to the power minus 9. Or this will be 3 into, this can be written as, here minus sign you have, 1 by 3 to the power minus 9 if you have, inverse of this you write. So this will be 3 to the power 9. And here you see, here 1 you have. So base is equal, exponents are required to be added, if multiplication sign is there, so this will be 3 to the power 10. By what number should we multiply minus 8 to the power minus 1 to obtain a product equal to 10 to the power minus 1? Similar thing is there, you need to assume that x, so minus 8 to the power minus 1 into x is equal to 10 to the power minus 1, and simple simplification is there, you need to simplify this. Then you have by what number should minus 15 to the power minus 1 be divided so that the quotient is minus 5 to the power minus 1. Just what has been done, required number has been assumed x. So as question is saying, accordingly you write equation and then you try to simplify. By what number should minus 15 to the power minus 1 be divided? Suppose this number will be divided by x and you are getting minus 5 to the power minus 1. This is required to be simplified. So already you have understood what is to be done if to the power minus 1 you have. If exponent you have minus 1, what you need to do, you already have understood. So simple simplification is there. You try to solve by yourself without help. And if you will not be able to solve, then only you take help of this. Otherwise, you must try by yourself. So here you see x will be what? Before that you will write, here you see, this can be written as minus 15 to the power minus 1 into 1 by x, and 1 by x will be minus 5 to the power minus 1 divided by minus 15 to the power minus 1, and then you simplify. It will be easier to solve. Then you have evaluate 5 to the power 0, minus 6 to the power 0, and these all. So easy it is. 5 to the power 0 is equal to 1, this is 1, and this is 2. Next you have simplify 10 into 5 to the power n plus 1 plus 25 into 5 to the power n. Here you have 3 into 5 to the power n plus 1 plus 10 into 5 to the power n plus 1. So what has been done over here, you see? 10 can be written as 2 into 5. 25 can be written as 5 square. In the same way, 10 can be written as 10 already has been written 10 into 5 to the power n plus 1. So this 10 has been written as 2 into 5. Now here you see 2 into 5 to the power n plus 1. 2 into 5 to the power n plus 1 what you had, this became 2 because here 1 you have. This one and this one has become 2. So 2 into 5 to the power n plus 2 plus 5 to the power n plus 2. This has been added. Base is equal. Powers are required to be added if multiplication sign is there. Here also base is equal and powers will be required to be added. That has been done. Here also the same thing has been done. And finally you have got 5 to the power n plus 2. Common has been taken. Here you see this is and this is equal. So common if you are taking what you will get 2 plus 1. Here again 5 to the power n plus 2, 5 to the power n plus 2. Common has been taken 3 plus 2. So finally this has been cancelled and you have got 3 by 5. Then we have 9 into 3 to the power n is equal to 3 to the power 6. Find the value of n. So 9 into 3 to the power n is equal to 3 by 6 we have. So 9 can be written as 3 square into 3 to the power n. Now base is equal and exponents are required to be added. So 3 to the power 2 plus n is equal to 3 to the power 6. Now here you see if base is equal and equal sign is there, means value of LHS and RHS is equal, and that's why if base is equal, exponents also will be equal, means 2 plus n will be equal to 6 and n will be 6 minus 2 and that will be 4. So in this way this is required to be done. If base is equal and equal sign is there, in that case your exponents also will be equal. Then you have 25 to the power n minus 1 plus 100 is equal to 5 to the power 2 to the power 2n minus 1. This is also very important question and so easy it is, just you see. Here you see what has been done. 25 can be written as 5 to the power 2 and n minus 1 plus 100 is equal to 5 to the power 2n minus 1. Now this will be written as 5 to the power 2n minus 2 minus 5 to the power 2n minus 1 is equal to minus 100, or if common you take minus 1 it will be 5 to the power 2n minus 1 minus 5 to the power 2n minus 2, and that is equal to minus 100. Minus and minus will be cancelled. So finally you will get 5 to the power 2n minus 1 minus 5 to the power 2n minus 2, and that is equal to 100. Now here you see 5 to the power 2n minus 1 you have, 5 to the power 2n minus 2 you have. If you are taking common 5 to the power 2n minus 2, then what you will get over here? Just you see. If you are taking common means what? You are taking common means you are dividing 5 to the power 2n minus 1 divided by 5 to the power 2n minus 2. And if you will simplify this, what you will get? 5 to the power 2n minus 1. This is in division, so this will be subtracted. If this will be subtracted, it will become minus 2n and plus 2. So this will be cancelled and you will be left with 5 to the power 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. It means you are left with over here 5. If you are taking common from 5 to the power 2n minus 1, common you are taking 5 to the power 2n minus 2, you are left with 5. Minus this already you have taken out, so you are left with 1 over here, and that will be 100. Or 5 to the power 2n minus 2 will be 100 minus 4. This 5 minus 1 4 we have. So sorry, this is in division, not in minus. Division it is. So this will be divided by 4, and this will be 5 to the power 2n minus 2 will be equal to, this you divide, you will get 25. And here you see, this will be 5 to the power 2n minus 2 will be equal to 5 to the power 2. Here you see 25 we have written, 5 to the power 2. Now base is equal, so exponents will be equal, so 2n minus 2 will be equal to 2, or 2n will be equal to 2 plus 2, or n will be equal to 4 by 2, and that will be equal to 2. So this will be your answer. So I hope you understood. By this way, this is required to be done. So you need to know how we will take out common and what will be left. You can check this is correct or not. Just to multiply 5 to the power 2n minus 1 minus 2 into 5, you will get this. Next we have 9 to the power n into 2 to the power 2, 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power n minus 27 to the power n divided by this is equal to 127, and find the value of n. This also we will see. Here you see how we will solve this. This can be written as 3 to the power 2n. 3 3 is 9. This can be written as 3 to the power 2. This is 3 to the power n minus 3 to the power 3n. 3 3 is 9. 9 3 is 27. Divided by, this will be 3 to the power 15 into 2 to the power 3, and that is equal to 1 by 3 to the power 3. Or here you see, if you are simplifying this, what we will get? 3 to the power 2n plus 2 plus n minus 3 to the power 3n divided by 3 to the power 15 into 8, and that is equal to 1 by 3 to the power 3. Or here you see, if we are adding this, we will get 3 to the power 2n plus n is equal to 3n plus 2 minus 3 to the power 3n divided by 3 to the power 15 into 8, and that is equal to 1 by 3 to the power 3. Here we can take out common 3 to the power 3n, and we will be left with 3 to the power 2 minus 1. Here you see, if we are taking out common 3 to the power 3n, we will be left with 3 square minus, here already we have taken out, this will be 1, and divided by 3 to the power 15 into 8, and that is equal to 1 by 3 to the power 3. Now, here you see 3 to the power 3n into 8, 3 3 is 9 minus 1, divided by 3 to the power 15 into 8, and that is equal to 1 by 3 to the power 3. Now you see, this will be cancelled, and you do cross multiplication. Here, if we are doing cross multiplication, what we will get? 3 to the power 3n into 3 to the power 3 is equal to 3 to the power 15, or this will be 3 to the power 3n plus 3. Here you see, 3 to the power 3n and 3 to the power 3 base is equal. So a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n, and that will be equal to 3 to the power 15. Here you can see, if base is equal, exponents will be also equal. Here you see, this base is equal, so exponents will be equal. 3n plus 3 will be 15, or 3n will be 15 minus 3, or n will be 12 by 3, and that is equal to 4, and this will be your answer. So in this way we need to solve, simplify it. So we have completed examples up to here. So again, each and every examples are very important. Just you take questions, try to solve by yourself, do practice, many times you try if you are not getting answer, and if it is needed then only you go through these examples, otherwise you practice by yourself. And after doing also, after completion also practice is required, and then you move to exercise 5A. You try to solve these questions, otherwise we will see in next class. Until then, thank you.